All right, guys, you guessed it. We are making a hot toddy. So we have 1.5 ounces of the whiskey, and alcohol acts as a vasodilator. Now your lemon juice and honey are going to act as a decongestant. So to our 1.5 ounces of whiskey, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of hot water. I'm going to add in one of our lemon rinds that we have. I'm going to start with 2 spoonfuls of lemon juice. And guys, I'm just using a squeeze bottle here. If you have real lemons, of course, that's obviously the best. Honey, I'm just going to squirt in about 2 teaspoons of this as well. We're going to mix this all up until everything is thoroughly incorporated, and you'll be able to tell that the honey's mixed in. It'll be smoother to stir. And then you want to drink this warm. And guys, this is the perfect hot toddy.